Kyeva nikyeekumbila nthi ya Kenya kwi umunthi itina wa kikw'u cha ula wai musumbi wa katatu wa nthi ya Kenya Mwai Kibaki Mauvoo maumbulwa ni musumbi Uhuru Kenyatta ula waweta kana Kibaki atiiwe ni Thayu kiokoni cha umunthi na kutangaasa kana Kenya yiithiwa ivindani ya kumeta nginya yila ukaathikwa. Kale chalo nukuelesya mbenge.
Kwi muthenya wa wakatano matuko 22 mwai wa kana mwaka wa 2022 mwendo wa saa 6 cia muthenya musumbi Uhuru Kenyatta ni watangaasa kikw'u cha loe musumbi wa katatu wa Kenya Emilio Mwai Kibaki no lotiwe ni Thayu itina wa kuwa kwa kavinda.
It is my sorrowful duty to announce to the nation the passing on of His Excellency Emilio Mwai Kibaki.
Kitumi ni kiungali ya musumbi munini wake speaker wa mbunge nini ya Kenya musili munini wa makwani ovamwe na ndongo ingi kautava Kenya ikatambuka itena kivendela cha Kenya nginela mututi ya Mwai Kibaki ethikwa na une nthini wa moloto mou ula umwene musumbi Kenyatta kivendela cha Kenya nacho kiyamba tunusu mulingoti Kenya yonthe maofisini ma serikali tamasukulu volisi mbungeni na kula kungi.
I, Uhuru Kenyatta, the nation will observe a period of national mourning from today until sunset that President Mwai Kibaki shall be accorded a state funeral with full military honors and protocols being rendered and observed. 3, that the flag of the Republic of Kenya shall be flown at half-mast. And 4, that the President, the Deputy President, the Chief Justice, Cabinet Secretaries, the Speaker of the National Assembly, the Speaker of the Senate, Kenya's diplomats abroad, and whomsoever else is so authorized by law, national flag on their official motorcade.
Kavindani kaundongo isia Kenya lilesi athukumia na Mwai Kibaki nthini wa serikali wake na vala we musumbi wa katatu wa Kenya kuma mwaka wa 2003 nginya mwaka wa 2013 nesia mukatha Mwai Kibaki tawa musumbi ula Kenya waitie mawalioko manini ovamwe na kutambua ngo yake nini ya wendo vala ve ene nthi ma Kenya. Raila Amolo Odinga itumangethisio kia kisio kwa musio wa Mwai Kibaki na Kenya ni wa mutambu wa Kibaki no la wathukumia nake chambe mea yumbe mbungeni nini na waziri serikali ni wake we lungu yambe na endi athukumana aketa prime minister nthini wa serikali ya ngwatanio ila ya sovio mwaka wa 2008 tamuvyati wawia mundu wa andu wa kuete ngwatanio na kumekia vina tongoi nthini wa kumuthukuma mwene nthi.
I have had a pleasure to work with Mwai Kibaki, first as a member of parliament in the opposition, the 7th parliament that is, then as one of his ministers for roads and public works, and finally as a prime minister where we shared the grand coalition government. Nobody who was better than Mwai Kibaki when it came to creating team spirit.
Ndongo ya Wiper Dr. Steven Kalonzo wa musioka nake ni wa mutambu wa Kibaki no lo muthukumia ta munini wake kana vice president ta ndongo yete yendete na ula ningeleka nyonzio kwa ndongo ingi va Kenya na elembeta ya Afrika.
Mzee Kibaki is an iconic father figure in this nation. I had the singular privilege of serving a full 5 years as his vice president. And I can tell you, there are very few leaders, even within the African continent, with a spirit of selflessness and singular sense of purpose and service to his people, more than Mwai Kibaki.
Governor wa vama kweni kivutha kebwana na kendana atiiwe itina nthini wa kutuma ngethisio kia kisio akimweta Mwai Kibaki no lo amuthukumie ta minister nthini wa serikali wake na endi ta mutai munini ta ndongo ila yaitie mawalioko manene va Kenya na muno kwete katiba keu.
Ona andu ma Africa na nthi cionthe nundu mutimio ucio wakoma ni mutongoi umwe katika ala nene piu katika Afrika ala mekete sindu siapata muno na ala mona neti undu tongo iwele kwebwa wilie na kumie ungu wake ta waziri na thukuma ungu wake ne mutai wake na kw'u na mutumia ne mwese muno
ndongo ingeevo munini wa musumbi William Ruto na mukiti wa kivila cha usumbi Njimi wa Jigi nesiaelesya Kenya tayasya musumbi wa meko.
From this forum where we are discussing the economy of our country, we pay tribute to our third president, President Mwai Kibaki, an outstanding economist. Amen.
Kibaki had a model where he gave power back to the people. He was attempting to do it. It's the first government since the colonial regime left.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo, Mutongo TV, ndi ripoti ya Neta wa Caleb Chalo wa Mutunga.